Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be showing you guys just how you can go about getting a free Steam gift card up to $100 in value. If you know Steam, you know there is very few methods of getting free Steam gift card codes in 2023. But I've actually managed to find a working method that is super easy, and I think you're all gonna be surprised at how easy this is. It only takes a few minutes, and you only need a mobile phone and of course an internet connection. And in around 5 minutes you're gonna be able to get a $100 Steam gift card for completely free. This is a digital code that you can redeem in the Steam store, and it's just going to add a balance which you can spend. So let me record my screen and show you guys how you can go and get free Steam gift card codes. So you need to basically open up the internet on your phone and go to this website. So make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to type it here. www.topdogcodes.com, and you need to find Top Dog Codes. Pretty easy to find, guys. You just need to make sure you type exactly how I did then. And in this search bar at the top of the page, you just have to search for Steam, and it pops up Steam, gift cards, and codes. So you need to navigate your way to this page here and scroll down. You can see this has been rated very highly by lots of people, and that is, like I said, a $100 gift card code for Steam. So tap on show coupon, and this is going to pop up here. This is basically the start of your code you can see on this page. However, we need to unlock the rest of the code. This just basically protects these free Steam codes from people creating bots to take all of the available codes. So we need to unlock our personal code, so tap unlock code. And you're going to see this page here, which is completely normal, guys, and it's actually pretty easy to complete. Essentially, we need to complete 2 of the tasks listed on this page to unlock your free Steam code. Now, these tasks can range from downloading and playing free games to just altering a few, just altering a couple of free surveys. So you can see here, we need to basically follow the instructions below, the 2 that you choose. And you can see there is a description. So they say, these ones here are UK ones, because you can probably hear them in the UK, but if you're in the US, you're going to get different tasks that are US based. And you can see this one says enter your email and complete the steps. So basically, guys, you just need to open up 2 of these and follow all of the instructions, and once you've completed 2 of these, it should reveal your free Steam gift card code. So let me complete these, and then I'll come back, and we can see together if it gives me my Steam code. I'll see you in a few minutes. So, I have returned, guys, and I did, like I mentioned there, so I just completed 2 of the tasks on this page, and they were pretty easy. They only took me a few minutes to complete, and I just had to input some valid information such as my email address in these ones. If you choose to do a survey, to get your free Steam gift cards, you have to make sure you put in your correct information, because this does verify you as a real person and not a robot. But yeah, just basically, long story short, complete 2 tasks on this page. And then once you've completed them, hit your tabs button. And if you've done everything, as you should see the Steam coupons tab down here. Click on that. And there's my Steam gift card code for $100. So then I can just enter this into the Steam store, and it's going to credit my Steam account $100, and that will allow me to purchase anything in the Steam store up to that value. These codes, guys, are one-time use. So when you get your code, your Steam gift card code, make sure you keep it safe and use it for yourself. Because if you give it away, you're going to have to come back and get your own code. So just repeat the process. But you need to go to topdogcodes.com and get your free Steam gift card codes. Please hit the right button if you got your code. Comment below for whatever reason if you need any help. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.